Okay, hi, this is Jeff, and this is so far we have a wobble arm grabber and of course wheels for driving. And when we were trying to build this robot, we were going over like what kind of drivetrain we want, and we decided on a mechanical drivetrain because we thought it would allow for the most mobility when moving around the field. The wobble arm, essentially, it works by a motor which turns a chain and the sprocket, to pull the wobble arm up on an axle. And when we first built it, at one point the motor kind of got like burnt out. It broke essentially because it was doing too much work. So we changed it so that the gear ratio allows it to get more torque on the wobble arm, so that way it can properly move it without like ruining the motor. And we're also planning on adding some new things still. So this is our latest addition, and it's what we call a snorkeler kind of, and it's going to be spinning and it's going to pick up rings like that basically, except the other way. And we're planning on adding a conveyor belt so that way we can dump rings into the lowest goal. And we just got the parts for that today, so that's really exciting. We also have a camera here, and we're currently working on programming camera vision so that way we can do the autonomous. We can do more in the autonomous in pushing the wobble wheel to the right spot. So it's really exciting. So yeah, that's Jeff.